Someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. And you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there's nothing to say. You have gone and so effortlessly. You have won, you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, waiting on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Love is hard, falling for betrayal is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know, thinking all you need is them. Building faith on nothing worse. Empty promises will wear. I know it now. Now this time there's nothing to say. And if you're done with embarrassing me, on your own you can go ahead. Years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. Tell them all I know. Tradition du truc.